Hey guys, I am gonna do a video here, not quite as standard for survival gardener, but I'm trapped at home due to coronavirus, and I have had a passion for SpaceGats. So I wanted to build a SpaceGat, and I've had these parts for a while. It did not come like this, these parts. I did paint them, and I did put the buttstock on because that's a little tedious for me. Got to put it in a vise. And got that put together, but here's what I'm working with. This is a VISM BlastAR Kit. It's got came black, and I added on this nice little hand stop forward grip sort of thing. I found it on Amazon. It goes together like this. I have a Bear Creek Arsenal, just a standard 223 wild upper I got on Black Friday. I think it was like 120 bucks. But this thing is made to work with the standard Delta ring setup, good old-fashioned, carbine setup. Comes with some cool magwell, I guess, speed loader type things. Helps you guide them. Magwell guides. Comes with a buttstock, thumb hole buttstock, because in the future everybody uses thumb hole buttstocks. All the future movies, just check them, they got them. And in most future movies, we've got a really cool charging handle that goes over the top. Only thing I'm missing is like on Halo where you have a digital display. I have a standard nitride bolt. Gotta have a fancy muzzle device for your SpaceGat, so I like this one. Probably look good on it. And gotta have a cool optic with a SpaceGat. I think this is like an NC Star VISM red dot. Cheapo, but looks cool. Got a little solar panel on it, so it never runs out of batteries, supposedly. Actually, it's pretty well built. It's a solid chunk of metal, but anyway, goes with the SpaceGat. So let's get going here. To prep this with your carbine barrel, if you get this kit, if you can even find this kit, I had to take off my sling swivel, and I had to flare out and basically use my good old armorer's hammer. I had to knock back some of these the handguard catch right here to get these to fit. I was tired of fighting. I made this video like 2 times. In the first 2 times, I couldn't get the handguards on. So let's start off here. First, we'll do the toughest part here, is getting on these handguards. They are, even with the little modification that I made, they are a, how do you say, bitch? Yeah, they're a bitch. The bottom one on there, they're much better now that I beat the hell out of that handguard piece. And there we go. We are good to get this screwed in. Come on, balance, buddy. There we go. Next one. Maybe we'll fast forward through this. And just like with putting on any handguard, you're gonna wanna have to go through and probably retighten all these, give them all a little retighten. There we go. I think I'll give them all a little bit more. All right, so we have this so far, looking cool. Big old-fashioned front sight, that's gotta go. It'll get covered up here soon, don't worry. Can't have any old-fashioned front sights. All right, next let's put the magazine guide device, whatever the heck this is supposed to be, but which way to go? Got an Aero Precision standard lower. I didn't use their their second generation one. Those are cool, but I don't think this kit would fit if I did use that. That is as much as it's gonna go together, I think. I'm gonna put a little more. You know what? I'm just gonna hand tighten these, and I'll tighten them after the end of the video. I don't think you guys need to see me put every single one in to get the idea how this goes together. And what a better time to make a SpaceGat. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah.